If you're scared AI might take your job, and you've been using Claude just to ask it questions, I need to stop you right there. Because there are actually two versions of Claude, and most people only know one of them. The one you know is good. The one you don't know? It doesn't just answer your questions. It logs into your accounts, opens your files, builds your reports, and sends your emails while you're doing something else. That second one is called Claude Cowork. And after this video, you'll never use AI the same way again. Let's flip it so AI works for you. First, let me be clear. Regular Claude is great. It's one of the smartest AI tools out there. You open it in your browser, you type a question, it gives you an answer. You want it to write an email, it writes it, you copy it, you paste it, you send it yourself. You want it to organize your files, it tells you how to organize your files, then you go do it yourself. You want a report from your receipts, it explains the process, you still build the spreadsheet yourself. That's the key word here, yourself. Regular Claude is a brilliant advisor. It's like having a genius consultant on call 24/7, but a consultant who gives you advice and then watches you do all the actual work. Now imagine that same genius consultant could also just do the work. Open your laptop, run your apps, organize your files, build your report, done. That's Claude Cowork. Claude Cowork is what Anthropic calls an AI agent. And here's what that means for you as a 9-to-5 worker. With regular Claude, you are still the one doing the work. Claude is your advisor. With Claude Cowork, Claude is the worker. You give it a task, it executes it, you come back to results. It connects to your actual computer. It can open files on your desktop, it can browse the internet on your behalf, it can pull from your Google Drive, your Notion, your Slack. It's not answering a question, it's completing a task from start to finish on its own. Let me show you difference number one, and this one hits home for every 9-to-5 worker. You know that downloads folder on your computer? The one with 400 files that all say Final V3, Final, Real, PDF? You ask regular Claude, help me organize this. It tells you, create folders by date, rename by project, move duplicates to trash. Great advice, you still have to spend 45 minutes doing it yourself. You ask Claude Cowork the exact same thing. You type, organize my downloads folder, sort by file type, rename everything clearly, flag duplicates, and then you watch it happen. Live, on your screen. It creates the folders, it renames the files, it moves everything in under 3 minutes. The benefit is, the tasks that used to eat your lunch break now happen in the background while you focus on actual work. That's difference number one. Difference number two is where Claude Cowork becomes something completely different. Regular Claude lives in a browser tab. It doesn't know what's in your Google Drive. It can't see your Notion notes. It has no idea what happened in your last Slack thread. Claude Cowork has connectors, and connectors change everything. You link it to your Google Drive, your Slack, your Notion, your Asana, your Jira. Now Cowork can see across your entire work stack. Here's a real example. You have meeting notes in Notion from last Tuesday. You tell Cowork, take my meeting notes from Notion and build me a presentation. It goes into Notion, reads the notes, pulls the key points, builds the slides, saves the file to your desktop. You didn't open Notion, you didn't open PowerPoint, you didn't write a single slide. The benefit is, Claude Cowork doesn't just work on one app, it works across your entire job, the same way a real assistant would. That's difference number two. Difference number three is the one that makes people's jaws drop. Claude Cowork has a Chrome extension, and with it, it can actually use your browser. Not browse the web for you in some virtual window, your actual browser, the one you're using right now. You tell it, check my Amazon order and tell me when it arrives. It opens Amazon, logs in, finds your order, comes back and tells you the delivery date. You tell it, find me a restaurant near my office for a team lunch. 8 people, 1 vegetarian, budget under $30 a head. It searches, compares options, reads reviews, sends you a top 3 with links. This is not AI answering a question. This is AI running an errand. And for 9-to-5 workers, the benefit is this. Flip it. Let AI do the busy work. You focus on the parts of your job only you can do. That's difference number 3. Here's exactly how to get started. 4 steps. Step 1. You need Claude Pro. That's $20 a month. Start with Pro. Step 2. Download the Claude desktop app. It's available for Mac and Windows. This is what gives Cowork access to your local files. Step 3. Set up your connectors. Go into settings and link your Google Drive, Notion, Slack, whatever tools you use at work. Takes about 5 minutes. Step 3. Set up your connectors. Go into settings and link your tools. Takes 5 minutes. Step 4. Install the Claude Chrome extension. That's what unlocks browser control. Once those 4 steps are done, you have a digital coworker. One that works faster than you, never gets tired, and costs $20 a month. Compare that to what your employer pays for a junior assistant. The math is easy, and this is exactly how you flip AI. From something scary to something that works for you. You now know something most people at your job don't know yet. Regular Claude answers questions. Claude Cowork does the work. It organizes your files, builds your presentations, runs your browser errands, connects your entire work stack. And it's available right now for $20 a month. Comment Cowork below and I'll personally reply with the guide. Subscribe to New World AI. Learn and earn with AI.